There is a secret to bringing air-dry clay creations to life, and it's not luck, it's control. Once you learn how to master this material, the blobs don't stand a chance. This simple process transforms ordinary clay into cute and quirky little characters, and almost anyone can do it with just a smidge of imagination and a tiny bit of patience. Step 1. Get some air-dry clay if you don't already have some. But first, watch this short video to get the full picture. Then if needed, rewind or pause for details later. The clay shown here is Jupiter Earth Kit from Amazon, linked below and pinned in the comments. There are also fun Walmart kits displayed on screen as other great options. Step 2. Become a master of your clay. Control it. Pretty much become an air-dry clay control freak. This type of clay performs differently than most others. Its best qualities, fluffy, foamy, and lightweight, can also make it a little stubborn. To shape it well, every move has to be intentional. When forming the clay, imagine the shape you want and purposely roll it, twist it, press it, poke it, whatever it takes. The clay will not always react the way you expect. When aiming for a cake-like texture and the prick marks disappear, it means the clay wants to stay smooth. So poke harder and make it accept the result you want. If creating a ridge, like for a cupcake wrapper, and it bounces right back, double the ridge depth. It's simple. Press twice as hard as you think you need to. Once that becomes second nature, shaping becomes effortless. One great thing about air-dry clay is that fingerprints usually vanish on their own. No need to hide them like with polymer and muddy earthen clays. Just remember, you must remain the winner in this game of force, or the clay will win. It's a battle of beauty. The clay wishes to remain a blob, but it must be told otherwise. Step 3. Give life to the creation. This can be done simply by adding eyes and a mouth. Noses are optional. I think they're weird, so I just skip the nose. As for the eyes, wide set placement gives a silly, charming look. The wider the eyes, the goofier the character. To make the eyes pop, start with a black circle, then press a white ball on top. For the center, press a small hole for a piercing look. Then place a tiny black circle in that hole for a more expressive stare. The pieces bond quickly, unlike many other clays. No need to press hard or even score the clay. This Amazon clay kit includes tools that make shaping details easier and more fun. Now for the mouth. Any design will work. In this example, the center of the cake serves as the mouth, with thin red lips added afterward. And this cupcake has a happy grin right in the icing area. Mouths can go anywhere, but the closer they are to the eyes, the cuter the character tends to look. Get creative, have fun, name your characters, and stay tuned for another advanced DIY tutorial full of unexpected tricks. Maybe next time, how to make a cake out of an old couch just like this. Till next time.